Hello guys, Abhishek Patil here. So today I am going to review the course that I have done. So this course will introduce you to the basic elements of academic information of AutoCAD. Attending this course will make you a proficient information seeker, and you will learn how to carry out comprehensive design into the real world. So let's start the video, and if you are new to this channel, then please do subscribe to our channel, and your one subscribe is more valuable, and it gives a motivation to make regular videos for you. So let's start the video. First of all, what's in the course? Here is the link. So the AutoCAD is a computer aided design software which is used to create 2D and 3D designs, which you are very familiar with that. And in this course, um, there are quiz that will upskill your learning, and at the end, the projects also that will help you to grow your knowledge. So if you are wondering what's in the course, so here it is a list course curriculum where you can learn introduction of AutoCAD, creating crafting drawings, modifying drawings, and managing drawings, and a 2D exercise here where you can use your knowledge, and here it is a project you can do on your own, and 3D 3D design also you can do 3D design also, and finally the AutoCAD quiz where after giving the quiz you are eligible to where you are eligible to get a free certificate. So you already know that the course start from the beginner to advanced, so you don't have to learn from any external sources, which is a great thing, you isn't it? Yes. So yeah, this is the course, and unique feature of this course is that you can learn in Hindi language. Here you can learn in the Hindi language. So I gave you a little preview this course. So isn't it is amazing? Yes. So this is course for you. You want to learn in the Hindi language. So if you want to enroll in the course, here it is the link. And if you want, I will link down in the description box below for you. And if you want to connect with me, I'll link down my LinkedIn profile in the description. So connect with me, and have a nice day. Thank you for watching.